Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Borghese gallery tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying long lines and annoying queues, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description. So open up the description and the link and it's going to take you to this page right here. So it doesn't matter if you're on your PC or mobile phone, the process is going to go exactly the same. We are going to click the check availability button right here, which is going to enable us to select the date and see all the available days that we can purchase the tickets for. So let's say we want to purchase the ticket for the 7th right here. It's going to enable us to choose our experience. So we can select the experience right here and then click the next button. Once you click the next button after selecting the time slot right here, it's going to go ahead and enable you to select the tickets right here. So let's say one adult, and then we can go to the next page. If you wish, you can purchase additional tickets right here for similar experiences if you want to save money. If not, just click the no thanks option and go to the next page. From here we can get started filling out our personal info such as first name, last name, and our phone number, and then we can click the next button after filling out all the necessary info right here. Once you have filled that out, click the next option to go to the payment page, and from here we can get started with selecting the payment method we want to use. So we're going to have Apple Pay, debit credit card, or PayPal. So select the one you prefer, and once you open it up, it's going to enable you to go ahead and fill out all your info. So go ahead and fill out all your info, such as your card number and so on, and click the pay button, and this is going to enable you to receive the card in your email address that you use for registration. So go ahead into the description, choose the first link you see, and it's going to take you to this page right here from where you can get started purchasing your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.